Keeping your pool sparkling clean and safe all year round is easier than you think when you know the right pool service hacks. So, here's the deal. Start by skimming your pool daily to get rid of leaves and bugs before they sink. Then, vacuum the bottom once a week to avoid dirt buildup that turns into a nightmare later. Don't forget to brush the walls and steps too, because algae loves to hide there and mess up your vibe. Testing your water chemistry is key. Make sure your pH, chlorine, and alkalinity levels are balanced. When those numbers are off, it can cause skin irritation or cloudy water. Nobody wants that. Keep an eye on your filters and pumps. Cleaning or replacing filters regularly keeps water flowing smooth. Also, check your pool equipment for leaks or wear and tear. Catching small problems early saves you from big repair bills. Lastly, schedule professional pool service at least once a month so the pros can handle the tough stuff and keep everything running like a dream. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool maintenance is ignoring water chemistry. Unbalanced chemicals lead to green water or swimmer discomfort, so test and adjust weekly. Another common issue is neglecting the pool pump and filter system, which can cause poor water circulation. Fix this by cleaning filters monthly and inspecting pumps for blockages or damage. The third mistake is skipping regular cleaning of debris and algae from pool surfaces. If you don't brush and vacuum often, algae builds up fast and makes your pool unsafe and gross. Staying on top of these three things helps you avoid costly repairs and keeps your pool inviting all season long. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot to find trusted local pool service contractors who can take the hassle off your hands. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for reliable pool maintenance, making life easier for everyone involved.